Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. Yes, man. And we're here today, guys. We're here with Jordan. 27 Club. Big up yourself, Jordan. With J. No, you was going through a rough patch. You was in prison. And you're out, I believe. So big up yourself, with G. Hope you stay out and never go back in there again. So, we're going to react to that one here and see what the G have to say. For me, Jordan is one of those artists where him spit it from him heart, brother. He never miss. Like, him just different. So, big up yourself, my G. Let's jump in that one and see what they are. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Ooh, okay. Alright. This is gonna be a real one.
I got everything I wanted but lost everyone I love. Enough is enough, man, my head is fucked. Everyone.
It's just another one. This is a typical Jordan. Jordan's like, him just started and first bar, man said him got everything he ever wanted, but lost everyone. Like, dog, come on, bro. Come on, man.
Got everything I wanted but lost everyone I love. Enough is enough, man, my head is fucked. Everyone. Been on a bender for months, getting lost, drinking drugs and sluts. My old friends are hating on me, bro, what the fuck? Doing this for us, the little stupid cunts.
Man say, yo, I'm doing this for us, you little stupid See you next Tuesdays. When not no sense, brother, what not hate? If me I win, una win, and I'm a virgin, like, what the fuck, dog? Like, una need to hate, brother. Why do we have to go through the gate for other come through the gate too? I'm not gonna leave the gate open for no. Dumb? Dog, come on.
What the fuck? Doing this for us, the little stupid cunts. Too much pain, man, it's hurt my brain. Paranoid, I got nervous shakes. Turned to cocaine like 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. He died at 27, I just turned that age. The legend. Amy Winehouse, Robert Johnson was the same.
Brother, we understand what you say, but that not gonna reach you, bitchy. You recognize the problem. If you have a cocaine problem, at least you can talk about it. These people wasn't talking about it, my G. You see me? You're 27 now. That don't mean say you're gonna dead from it, bro. You're better than that, my G. You see me? You're better than that, my fam. And you have people out there will love you. Even though you think you think you lost everybody that you love. Just remember, say people out there love you, my G. So big up yourself, Jordan. Big up yourself, bro.
The legend. Amy Winehouse, Robert Johnson was the same. Mac Miller, Jimi Hendrix, a lot of greats. Rest in peace. I feel like only they could relate. My situation's hard to explain. All this shit, man, that comes with fame. See my friends and my family change, cause they got the same name and they ain't getting paid. But when I needed them, they did nothing, mate.
That is always it, bro. That is always it. Because we have the same last name. The things that me and you are bum. Brother, me no owe you no obligation, bro. Even though if me do 99 good for you, and the one good when me couldn't do for make it 100, you take the one good and cover the 99 good. Suck your mother, brother. We get the same 24 hours in the days, dog. Not do that, bro. Jordan, once again, big up yourself, bro. You speak it from yesterday, bro. You never miss. The rhythm bad, Tom. I love the rhythm. Rhythm bad.
Cause they got the same name and they ain't getting paid. But when I needed them, they did nothing, mate. You know what I think? Fuck 'em, mate. And I've been planning my great escape, thinking who I might take him with me, mate.
Nah, you're not planning no fucking great escape, bro. Don't do that. Don't do that, bro. I hope this is just a song, G. I hope this is not a message to us as your fans. You say, yeah, I plan to do something, G. I'm just reacting to what y'all say.
Mate. And I've been planning my great escape, thinking who I might take him with me, mate. Fuck 'em. And they rap, bro, to feed the ego. I rap, bro, to feed my people. The deceit is evil. 5G needle. I could go deep, but who'd listen to me though? Just another street Debo. Jack kids and go back when they reload. One day, free homes, beast mode. Robbed everyone my first week home. My boys saw me falling off and they just left me rotting. After all I did for him, but fuck it, I still got him. Needs a prop change, tomorrow I go shopping. I ain't got the money tonight, I go robbing.
That you just real, bro. Like you tell us, brother. The music business attract all different kind of characters, and he's just real as fuck, that. The man just said, even though him brethren do him dirt and basically go on with fuckery, him still love him brethren, him still a do it for him brethren same way. Bro, not many people can say that, bro. Cause if you fuck around me, brother, me done with the end of dog. Me done, yes man, me done with them, man. What the fuck, dog? Bro, this track is deep like a submarine, bro. No joke.
Got him, needs a prop change, tomorrow I go shopping. I ain't got the money tonight, I go robbing. Man, I've been the loyalist. Told him that I've got him, bro, and I ain't even got it. Went out plotting and I somehow.
Man said I told him that I got it even when I don't got it. Bro, when I listen with Jordan, I said, bro. Viewers and subscribers, are you guys listening what the G is saying, bro? man. This deep, bro.
Change tomorrow, I go shopping. I ain't got the money tonight, I go robbing. Man, I've been the loyalist. Told him that I've got him, bro, and I ain't even got it. Went out plotting and I somehow just got it. Wrist that I took for my friends, shocking. Started music for us and I'm feeling to stop it. My mixtape's ready and I don't even want to drop it. Cause I made it mirror years, bro, and I think they forgot it. You know I rap the truth. When they got knocked out, I was banging screws. I sat down the block, bro, battered and bruised. And no.
Man, so when them get knocked out, I was banging screws. So basically, him a back it for him friend them. Him a defend him friend them. So when them get knocked out, him a bang up screws. You see me? Sat down on the block, battered and bruised. So he basically he's putting his life on his line and the freedom on his line for him bridging them. Once again, he put people first, bro. When they put people first, more time than brother.
They got knocked out, I was banging screws. I sat down the block, bro, battered and bruised. And no radio, I couldn't blast my tunes. Sat in total silence, solitary confinement. All I know is violence on violence, violence on violence. Every day I'm fighting, bro, and biting this. And now that it's my time to blow, I ain't even writing, bro. Me and little Mikey Joe, we hit the road with microphones. I hate to spend the night alone. Bro, I hate to spend the night alone and face these thoughts inside my dome. The baddest shits don't like to bone. They went hard, but I went harder, bro. So fuck the system, fuck the police, cause I made it for my father, bro. I was at the graveyard speaking to my father, bro. Rest in peace, Pop. My best
man said make it to him father, so fuck the police. You see me? The man said make it to him father, bro. So right now, even at the graveyard, I speak to him father. Daddy proud of you, my G. Daddy proud of you, man. Yes, man.
For my father, bro. I was at the graveyard speaking to my father, bro. Rest in peace, Pop. My best friends turned to raps. Big brother sold my straps. Then the judge gave me 6.5. Man, it broke my back. Cause I was fresh home off for free. Could you cope with that? When I'm stressed, said to sleep. Man, I need sleepers. I rap about dotties, but I got street sweepers. Just caught 40 back for 2 features. Still in 2 litres with 2 beaters.
Man, say him just got 40 back for 2 features. 20 bag of feature, dog.
And I don't roll with managers, producers. Land in London with me and my shooter. I'm from LH where they boom our scooters. Clapped at my friends cause they all turned Judas. All of them. Fuck rap, I ain't seeing big racks. Just got followers and plaques. Famous for no reason, gotta still slap brass. Taking chases out, beating, hoping that I make it back. Gotta still grab, hoping that I make it back. There's strange ways diaries. It's strange ways diaries. Most of this is strange ways, so this is strange ways diaries. Just a low life, fucking low life. Lived on the wing where my dad took his own life. Just a fucking low life, fucking low life. Lived on the wing where my dad took his own life. Believe me, they was cold nights, thought about him the whole time. Getting stressed out, been in jail for my whole life. I know you're proud now, Pops. I know you're proud. Catch you alive, man.
Man say him live on the wing when father take him own life. You know that deep that, bro? You know how fucking deep that, bro? Obviously, him father killed himself in a prison, which we all know because him not hide it. Him say it over and over again. But the G I tell us say yo him live on the block. Him not house on the block, him live on the block because him there jail for him whole life, brother. So him leaf on the block when father take him on like Jesus Christ, dog. Jordan, G, you're different, bro. Like, you're different, bro. You're one of the realest rappers, bro, from the UK, G. G, big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself, dog. Like, just go and make it, bro. Don't worry about fuck the haters, then, bro. Just go and do it, G. That is my message to you. You hear that? Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself for sticking with your boy. It's time I'm gonna leave the one here. See you guys in the next one.